In this video, I'm going to show you how to move data from one sheet to another in Google Sheets. So as you can see in here, we have the sample spreadsheets with some sample datas in here. So what we're going to do is we're going to move this to another spreadsheet. So to do this, simply navigate to the bottom part of the screen. And as you can see in here, you can see the navigation for this sheet, which is sheet 1. So after locating this, simply right click. And in here, this will provide you options. Simply navigate to copy to, and this will provide the options such as new spreadsheet or existing spreadsheet. When you click existing spreadsheet, this will then ask you to add the spreadsheet data onto another existing spreadsheet that you have in your Google Drive. So simply select anything in here and you will now successfully add this current spreadsheet to the selected spreadsheet. But let's say for this scenario, we'll be creating a new spreadsheet for this. So simply do the same steps, go to copy to and click new spreadsheet. This will then create a new spreadsheet. Simply click the link for open spreadsheet and this will automatically direct you to the new spreadsheet that you have created with the same data from the previous data. And that's about it. That's how to move data from one sheet to another in Google Sheets. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.